Hello, and welcome to eTollFree's Cloud Phone System tutorials. In this video, we will be talking about how to set up fax. The fax to email feature in the Cloud Phone System allows you to send and receive faxes without a traditional fax machine or phone line. This feature converts incoming faxes to PDF and sends them to an email address. It also allows you to send faxes by attaching documents to an email or uploading them through a web interface. This modern approach to faxing is more efficient, eco-friendly, and convenient. Let's discuss how to set up the fax to email feature. First, go to Applications, then select Fax Server. Now, click the Add Plus button for a new fax server. Then, fill out the necessary fields, starting off with the name. This is how you would like to name your fax server. Now, for the extension, enter a unique number never been used in any of your setups. If you have phone extensions, bridges, or IVRs in the system, make sure this number is unique. Then, the destination number. This is where you would put another fax number if you want to route faxes there. However, you can leave this blank. Lastly is the email. Enter the email address where you want to receive your fax documents. After filling out these fields, click Save. Remember, setting up fax to email allows you to manage your faxes more efficiently. You can receive and store your faxes digitally, reducing paper waste and making it easier to manage your faxes from anywhere. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.